Hello, Nomad Sculpt and Morphinapp. So, my way with zero experience to animation. So, this is about export and import, and this is about the matrix and scaling -1 problem. So, I show this here in the video because, yeah, um, it makes big problems or nothing works as it should do. So I try to explain. So I have here a cute character, and I thought, yeah, let's try animation with this guy. So, um, in Nomad it works like this. So with a hierarchy, and so but for Morphinapp, you have to join the meshes and remesh and so on. And here the value is 1 at the moment. So what I did is I selected here in the hierarchy everything, and I joined the meshes. So now the scale becomes -1, and that's a problem if you don't recognize this. So yeah. And the solution is just to bake the matrix and don't forget to bake. So this solves the problem, and then the value becomes 1 again, I think. Then it's everything is okay. But this -1, if you forget it and you don't recognize it, then nothing works like it should do. So yes. And the next steps are, yeah, face groups, delete everything. You have to watch every single point. So before you export the meshes to Morphin. Yes. So that's it. Maybe it helps. So have fun with animation and sculpting. Ciao.